Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check signal bars and RSSI, and update the firmware now so the modem uses current radio optimizations. Next, move the unit near a window or high shelf. Metal, appliances, and walls reduce throughput. Once done, power cycle the unit to apply updates and re-register to the best cell tower. Make sure your SIM plan supports higher speeds. If not, upgrade, because software and placement only matter if the network can deliver bandwidth. You now tune the radio and Wi-Fi parameters to squeeze real speed. Scan for the clearest Wi-Fi channel and set channel width appropriate to interference. Wider is faster but more sensitive. Then lock the modem to the best cellular band if carrier aggregation causes instability. Enable Co-S to prioritize your critical traffic and turn off background sync on connected devices so uploads do not steal uplink. Once configured, run a controlled speed test to measure improvements and iterate. Finish by validating. You run speed tests in several locations and at peak times, then choose the spot with the best average. Simple relocation often wins. If signal is weak, attach an external antenna or tether the SIM to a laptop with a stronger radio. Make small changes, test again, and avoid frequent resets. If speeds stay poor, factory reset as last resort. But first, check device temperature and carrier side limits. These reveal throttling or hardware thermal issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.